Hi, hello. This is Abdullah Patel, and we are from India. So we are here for the getting some feedbacks and inquiries related to the CNC machine. And we just met Sophie from Blue Elephant, and we got a tremendous and excellent support from her. And right now we are happy to get all the informations that will help us for the correct purchase here, right? And we visited some factories layouts and finished products to experience some features and feedbacks here, right? And that was also good, and we are happy right now.